Hi, in this video I show how to install macOS 14 on VMware. macOS 14 aka macOS Sonoma. First of all, you need to download the macOS 14.iso installer. This installer is divided into 4 parts. After downloading, you extract them using WinRAR. And here is the file after unzipped. By default, VMware does not support you to create macOS virtual machines, so you install the patch as above. I put the link in the description. After downloading and unzipping, run the file called wininstall with admin rights. It automatically downloads the patch and installs after about 1 minute. After completing the patch installation, open VMware and create a new macOS virtual machine. You create a new virtual machine and install the following operating system. Store virtual disk as a single file. You make sure this virtual machine is allocated at least 4 GB and at least 2 CPU cores. Next, you connect the macOS 14.iso file in the virtual machine. Before installing macOS, you customize the configuration file of this virtual machine. The configuration file has the extension VMX. It is located in the directory of the newly created virtual machine. You open this file with Notepad. Within Notepad, add the following command at the end of the file: smc.version = 0. Next, you customize the network connection to make sure the macOS virtual machine is connected to the internet. You replace E1000E with VMX Net3. Then save your changes before closing the file. You open Disk Utility and format the hard drive. In Disk Utility, select the VMware Virtual Disk and click on the Erase button. macOS 14 only supports APFS. Once done, close Disk Utility and start installing macOS 14 onto the formatted hard drive. Do not skip the last step to set up this virtual machine full screen. On the first boot, you are asked to create a new account for macOS. You will use it in the next steps. And here is the user interface after completing the installation of macOS 14. As you can see, it is shrunk. It's inconvenient. So how to make this virtual machine full screen? You follow these steps. You disconnect from macOS 14.iso. Next, you download VMware Tools from the link I put in the description. You will download a file called darwin.iso. You then connect this file to the macOS virtual machine. On macOS, you install VMware Tools, and you allow this tool to be installed on macOS. You may have a failure the first time you install it, but that's okay, you will succeed the second time. After completing the installation of VMware Tools, you restart the virtual machine and you will have the screen in full screen mode. Thank you for watching the introductory video of installing macOS Sonoma on VMware. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.